Well, I'm over here at Buggy Works. Yeah, it's a little winter time, and man, they got a whole bunch of them things around here. And this is down here in Indianapolis area, and this place is packed. I mean, every time I come here, there's more and more cars. They come and go. I mean, this is the stuff we're talking about. Check this shit out. This is Buggy Works, man. You talk it from the turbo systems to the aspirated to the old school. Man, we're talking 6 bolts here. Custom making all the lines. I mean, this is the type of shop. This is what I'm used to back from the 80s and 90s over there in Southern Cal. You know, so they have the machine shop. They got the builders. They're working on the cars. I mean, this, you know, type 1s, type 2s, type 4s. And over here, and whoa, we got Dylan over here. And there's Colby over there. Colby, of course, got another cigar he's working on. You know, he likes his little cigars, you know. All right, Dylan, what are we working on here?
Line boring cases, got some machine work done, miking out bearing saddles, miking out cranks. Got a Type 4 that's going in a Beetle, and a 2332 that we're building for another Beetle as well.
I tell you what. Now, you guys, you know, the good thing is, I know you guys build some high-end motors, and there's no question. I saw one here the other day, had a whole bunch of rabies stuff in it from Type 4. It was like a $25,000-$30,000 motor. But so a lot of the DIY guys, you know, they're going to want to do their own engine cases, or someone who's building motors every once in a while. You guys do those cases for them too, right?
Yes.
I tell you what. Now, I inspected both my cases, and I brought them here, and I said, this is everything I want done. And the first thing you said, Dylan, is we're throwing it in the tank. We're not going to do any work till we do our inspection.
We clean everything.
And, you know, that's one of the things I like about it, you know. So they came along here, and sure enough, it was warped. Man, there was plans for this motor. Well, I might polish it up, paint it, and use it in some of the swap meets and make it look good on the outside. So I tell you what, this place is good. If you're down in this area or you want to ship them the stuff, what's this place called?
Buggy Works.
Of course, it's Buggy Works. There we go. Boom.